What if the universe isn't just a cosmic accident, linearly unfolding towards an inevitable cold, dark end? What if instead it breathes? For eons, humanity has grappled with the ultimate cosmic questions. How did the universe begin? How will it end? Conventional cosmology paints a picture of a universe born from a singular Big Bang, expanding outward, perhaps forever, eventually succumbing to heat death. But what if this view captures only half the story? Recent scientific discoveries, driven by monumental observatories and brilliant minds, are beginning to hint at mysteries that defy easy explanation within our standard models. From anomalies in the universe's expansion rate to the perplexing nature of cosmic structures, these puzzles suggest a deeper, more complex reality. At the 11-dimensional model of the universe, we propose a revolutionary answer. Our model unveils a universe that is a living, breathing organism, perpetually cycling through grand phases of expansion and contraction, a cosmic breath orchestrated by its fundamental architects. The 0, 10th and 11th dimensions. These are the primary dimensions, existing beyond space and time. Join us as we explore how this eternal dance aligns with cutting-edge observations, revealing a universe far grander than we ever imagined. To truly grasp the universe's ultimate cycle, we must first understand its foundational architects. In our 11-dimensional model, the primary dimensions are not the spatial ones we inhabit. They are the fundamental bedrock of all reality, existing entirely beyond space and time. The 0 dimension, this is really the ultimate origin, a dimensionless point of pure potentiality. It's like the cosmic seed from which all existence, all possibilities really emanate. The 10th dimension. This primary dimension, well, it actually embodies the universe's inherent expansive drive. It is the universal force of outward push, manifesting its influence from all points at once, all the time. This is the source of deterministic order, shaping the large-scale structure that will emerge. The 11th dimension, this primary dimension, embodies the universe's inherent contractive pull. It is the universal force of inward pull, fundamentally linked to quantum interconnectedness, entanglement and probability. It's the force that ultimately seeks unity and ultimate compaction. These three primary dimensions are inextricably linked. It is their dynamic interplay that doesn't just exist within the universe. They define the very shape and behavior of the universe itself, orchestrating its ultimate dance of creation and destruction. Our universe, as we experience it, is currently in a phase of expansion, the grand exhale of a colossal cosmic organism. This begins with a Big Bang, a moment of explosive genesis. But in our model, the Big Bang is not an isolated event. It is the direct consequence of the 10 and 11 dimensions. At the moment of the Big Bang, the 10th dimension achieves its highest dominance per cycle. Its inherent expansive drive unleashes a torrent of outward pushing force everywhere at once. This manifests not as a single, isolated explosion, but as a universal phenomenon of simultaneous creation. Imagine for a moment a high population of white holes erupting everywhere at once. These are the localized, extreme manifestations of the 10th dimension's initial expansive surge, pushing away from each other in what will become space. Now, because during this transition there is no space or time as we know it, this pushing away is not actually occurring within space, but is the creation of space itself. These white holes are quite literally stretching the fabric of the cosmos into existence. Recent observations by the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, offer some truly intriguing clues that align with this rapid, dimensionally driven genesis. JWST is consistently finding galaxies that are unexpectedly massive and mature just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Standard models, honestly, struggle to explain how gravity could have accumulated so much matter so quickly. Our model accounts for this by proposing that in the immediate aftermath of a universal white hole event, the 10th dimension's initial expansive surge created incredibly efficient dimensional eddies in the universal wave, allowing matter to condense into these large structures far faster than otherwise possible. As the universe rapidly expands, the other emergent dimensions, the three spatial dimensions, the fourth dimension of linear time, and the higher dimensions governing motion and structure, from the fifth through the ninth, begin to occur in a particular unfolding sequence. Reality, in a sense, cools and structures itself as the 10th dimension's dominance initiates the universe's grand expansion. Galaxies form, stars ignite, and the cosmos fills with the wonders we observe. As the universe continues its immense expansion, the influence of the 10th dimension, while still present, gradually begins to diminish. Eventually, the universe reaches its maximum size for that particular cycle. At this critical juncture, the 11th dimension asserts its dominance. Its inherent contractive pull begins to overcome the remaining expansive momentum, initiating the universe's grand inhale, the Big Crunch. During this stage, the universe's density steadily increases. Galaxies rush towards each other, colliding and merging. The population of black holes grows dramatically, consuming more and more matter. Eventually, all matter, all stars, all galaxies, and even all individual black holes are inexorably drawn together, merging into one colossal singularity. JWST has also observed supermassive black holes that are, well, too massive, too soon in the early universe, growing at rates that puzzle astronomers. This rapid growth aligns with the 11th dimension's pervasive contractive efficiency, which not only forms these extreme objects, but eventually draws all matter towards them. Furthermore, ongoing cosmological tensions like the Hubble tension, those discrepancies in the measured expansion rate of the universe, suggest that our current models might be missing some fundamental physics. Our model proposes that such anomalies could be subtle indicators of the diminishing 10th dimension's dominance and the increasing influence of the 11th dimension, subtly shifting the universe's fundamental properties as it prepares for contraction. In this singular state, the universe exists as an ultimate point of unification, a state of pure, undifferentiated potential driven by the absolute dominance of the 11th dimension. From our perspective, this phase would appear timeless. To the universe, however, it is a temporary, albeit immense, period of pure, unified potential, a cosmic pause before the next grand cycle. The sequence of other emergent dimensions that unfolded during expansion might now occur in reverse, or maybe a mirrored sequence, as the universe pulls itself back into itself. Within the ultimate singularity, the universe rests in its most contracted state, governed by the formidable 11th dimension. But, this state of absolute dominance is not eternal. The 11th dimension very rapidly loses its absolute dominance, a moment of ultimate dimensional re-equilibration. This inherent shift triggers the next profound event, another Big Bang. At this very instant, the 10th dimension reasserts its expansive drive, again achieving the highest amount of dominance per cycle. The universe violently exhales once more, giving birth to a new cosmos from the unified potential of the preceding crunch. And just as before, this birth is marked by a high population of white holes, pushing reality outwards everywhere at once, forging new space and time. This cyclical cosmology is not entirely new to theoretical physics. Ideas like the Big Bounce or cyclic universe models, which propose that the universe undergoes an infinite series of expansions and contractions, have gained renewed interest among cosmologists seeking alternatives to a singular, finite Big Bang. Our model provides a robust, dimensionally driven mechanism for such a cycle, offering a concrete explanation for the transition from crunch to bang. the rapid, decisive shift between the dominance of the 11th and 10th dimensions. It's a cosmic heartbeat, with the 10th and 11th dimensions as its fundamental rhythm keepers. Our Big Bang is merely one such heartbeat in an infinite cosmic existence. The 11-dimensional model offers a profound and elegant cosmology, transforming our understanding of the universe's origin and destiny. It reveals a cosmos that is a living, breathing entity, perpetually cycling through big bangs and big crunches, all orchestrated by the fundamental dance of the 0, 10th and 11th dimensions. This shifts our perspective from a linear, finite universe to one of infinite recurrence, where creation and destruction are two sides of the same eternal coin. It provides a blueprint for existence that is both terrifying in its scale and awe-inspiring in its elegance. By grasping this profound cosmic heartbeat, we begin to truly understand the reality we inhabit and our own fleeting yet eternal place within its magnificent, endless cycle. Thank you for journeying through the cosmos with us. If this voyage sparked your curiosity, please like, subscribe, and most importantly, share this video in an 11-dimensional fashion. Imagine each share rippling through every layer of reality, connecting friends, timelines, and universes. Spread the cosmic message far and wide across all dimensions. Until our next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring.